When planning meals, preparation time tends to be one of the bigger barriers to making improvements to eating habits. Having a go-to list of quick meals is key to setting you up for success and saving time in the kitchen. One way I love to do this is with one-pan meals. They can balance a variety of different food groups while using fewer dishes and requiring less cleanup. By rotating different protein options, piling on plenty of vegetables, and customizing your recipes with different seasonings, one-pan meals can be exciting and packed with nutrients. One of the easiest ways to make a healthy dinner is with a sheet pan meal. Now you can switch things up by mixing and matching different proteins, vegetables, carbs, and seasonings. Starting with your protein, chicken breast, salmon, shrimp, or even tofu can work great for this. Then load up on different vegetables. Depending on the season, rotate out different options like broccoli, bell peppers, zucchini, carrots, potatoes, or Brussels sprouts. To save time on preparation, reach for shortcuts roasters that are ready to be added to the pan. And then finally, customize with your favorite seasoning. Try taking inspiration from Mediterranean flavors, featuring olive oil, garlic, and oregano, or Cajun seasoning with smoked paprika, garlic powder, and cayenne. Toss everything together and place in a single layer on your pan. Roasting for 20 to 25 minutes at 400 degrees is a foolproof way to get a balanced meal with minimal cleanup. You can achieve the same goal by using the same methods for skillet dishes. One pan curry is super customizable. You can try chicken or change things up with some plant-based options like tofu, chickpeas, or lentils. This lentil coconut curry is bursting with so much flavor that you don't even miss the meat. And for a simple and flavorful meal that's easy to throw together on a busy weeknight, try one pot fajitas. Chicken strips, shrimp, or sliced steak work well for fajitas. I've chosen marinated steak for this one and paired with peppers and onions. Again, save time with shortcuts, fresh cut fajita mix, and for great flavor, top with fresh pico de gallo, avocado slices, or guacamole. Make sure you're pairing with some fiber-rich tortillas like Food Club whole wheat tortillas for a perfectly balanced dish. The best part of one-pan meals is that they're flexible. You can create endless variations without getting stuck in a food rut by swapping proteins, veggies, and seasonings. And if you're looking for more meal inspiration, go ahead and visit foodcity.com.